Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulb on a 2020 Ford Fusion. The reason I'm changing it is because the original bulbs that came from the factory were kind of dim, so I'm upgrading them with this Philips Vision Plus, up to 60% brighter. I've used these on a previous car and worked pretty good. It's a little tricky to get to, but there's two dust covers here. This one is for the high beams, and this one is for the low beams. The low beams are what we're going to change today. I'm going to take the dust cover off. Alright, let's try this again. It's not good to drop your phone in the engine bay. Take the dust cover off, just pull, tab on each side. I'm trying not to drop my phone again. If you look inside there, you'll see the bulb and the connector. So, one thing that's important to know, just in case you don't, when you do take the bulbs out and when you're putting the new ones in, don't touch the actual lens of the bulbs, because the oil on your fingertips can make the bulbs burn out prematurely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it and twist it about 45 degrees. You'll feel it come loose, and then you can pull it out of the compartment. This bulb is still good, so I'm going to be careful with it and keep it as a backup. Okay, that's what the bulb looks like. There's a connector on the back. All you're going to do is push down where my thumb is, and you can pull the top out of here. Sit the phone down for a second. See, I got the bulb separated from the connector there. I'm going to grab our new bulb, and I did the other side. This is the new one. Again, this is the Philips H11. H11 is the universal model number 4 this car. So whatever grade or bulb you get, it's got to be an old H11 light bulb. Of different brightnesses. You're going to put it back in here and push till you hear a click. It's kind of quiet. And you want to feed it back down in here. Start at the upward angle. Kind of feel it. There's a slot with some tabs. See, I have it seated there. Once you have it seated and it's loosely and the tabs are in place, you want to push forward and twist at the same time until it flicks into place. There we go. Check it. Make sure it's tight. And then you're going to want to put the dust cover back on. Check your bulb, make sure it's working. And for the other side, I already did this one. It's the same deal though. It's going to be on the outside. There's the inside, the outside one. Pull this dust cover off, and then inside you're going to find the same connector. Twist it to release, pull it out, take the harness off, put the new bulb on, put it back in, align the tabs, twist, click, put the cover back on. Alright. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye. So one little tip that I wanted to add that helped me, hopefully you can see this, I'm trying to do it with one hand, but when the connector is in here, you have to push forward on the connector and also twist at the same time, which is hard to do because you can't quite get your hand in here well. I don't have huge hands, but they don't, it's a small place to get in there. So what I did was I took my left finger in my left hand, I pushed it, and I used this kind of a hook tool for installing wires and stuff, and I reached around on the bottom here, and I just kind of, when I pushed with one finger and I pulled with this until it clicked and locked into place. That way you make sure it goes in straight and it's not crooked and it snaps in place nice. I only had to do that on the driver's side. The passenger side was a little bit easier to get to. I just thought that might be helpful for you.